Alrighty, we're opening up and unboxing 3 blaster boxes of 2022 Pro Set Draft Football. Looks like you're going to get Kenny Pickett in here, CJ Stroud. That's the rookie class we're going to be looking for. You get 2 autograph cards per box and 1 metal card per box. So I've never opened these. Football is kind of growing on me. Well, that's how you get it. There we go. Oh, that's the last one. All right. Let's see what we got. First one is going to be a Zamir White. Yeah, we got a Mario Goodrich rookie auto and a Jalen Tolbert rookie auto. So that's really what it is. It's just 3 cards. All right. Second pack. Quinn Edwards. Got a Cole Kelley quarterback. That's a good one. And Trey Turner. Guess we can put all these autos on screen. I don't think any of this stuff is numbered. Not numbered. Not numbered. All right, and we get the last pack here. Matt Corral. Quarterback, that's good. I think. Is he numbered? Not going to be numbered. Still a nice looking card. We got a Dallas Turner and a Jareth Stearns. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.